Hi, my name is Christopher Smith, and I'm a motorcycle accident attorney in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to be talking about 10 surprising facts about motorcycle crashes that you may not know. And we're going to be using statistics from the Tennessee Department of Safety and Homeland Security. So let's get right into it. Number one, most motorcycle crashes happen on Saturday. Could you have guessed that? I don't think I would have. I might have guessed Friday or even Monday, but as it turns out, it's Saturday, with Sunday being the second most common day that motorcycle accidents happen. Monday is the day where the fewest accidents happen, so I might have been exactly wrong if I was trying to guess that. Number two, most motorcycle accidents happen in the spring and summer. Now that's sort of intuitive because you might think that's when the weather is nicer, makes sense it wouldn't be the winter. But can you guess which of the spring and summer months has the highest number of motorcycle accidents? I don't think I would have. The answer is September. Number three, most motorcycle accidents involve drivers under the age of 40, and a substantial portion of all motorcycle accidents involve drivers under the age of 30. The highest concentration is between the age of 20 and 30. So that's an important thing in motorcycle accident lawsuits that we handle, because typically if the driver is 20 or 30 or 40, they still have a significant amount of earning potential and years in the workforce that they may be missing out on because of the injury. So it can be a very important element of damages, the lost earning potential, lost income, that sort of thing. It can be very important to have the right experts to prove that economic loss. Number four, most motorcycle accidents happen between 1 and 5 p.m. Now, I don't know if that's true of car accidents generally, it may be, but you might have thought that motorcycle accidents happen late at night, but they don't. On average, they are happening between 1 and 5 p.m., with the highest concentration happening at 5 p.m. That brings us to number five. Most motorcycle crashes happen in broad daylight. There is almost no role that lighting conditions play in motorcycle accidents. The overwhelming majority happen in broad daylight. And that brings us to number six, which is 95% of motorcycle accidents in Tennessee, the weather is not a factor. Road conditions, rain, fog, not a factor. Weather is perfectly fine. As we just said, most of the time it's in broad daylight. And putting together some of the other statistics, it's probably between 1 and 5 p.m. Number seven, 55% of all motorcycle accidents involve another vehicle. Another way of saying that is that almost half of motorcycle accidents are solo accidents where the only vehicle involved is the motorcycle. But in a little over half, 55%, there is another vehicle involved. Number eight, only 32% of motorcycle accidents happen in an intersection. Now, I don't know what I would have guessed here. I probably would have guessed that it was higher than that, but roughly 2/3 of all motorcycle accidents do not happen in an intersection. Number nine, only 4% of motorcycle crashes involve fatalities. So that's good news. I don't know if you might have guessed that motorcycle accidents tend to be more fatal. Another way of putting that is 96% of crashes do not involve a fatality. So that is good news. Number 10, our last fact, is that 82% of the fatalities in motorcycle accidents, a helmet was worn. So that's a little bit discouraging because it suggests that the helmet might prevent some injuries, but in the really bad accidents, people are dying even wearing a helmet. So I hope this has been interesting. It was a learning experience for us making this video, delving into these statistics. I will link the PDF from the Department of Safety so you can look at this yourself. Very interesting. If you or a loved one has questions about motorcycle accidents or what a motorcycle attorney can do for you, give us a call, comment down below, or send me an email, and we'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.